we Nigerians just stay and do and finish like that. Blame everything on Kevin. I don't like him. Me not sure say na right thing. On my own side, I not sure say it dey right. You understand? Because they say in every matter, na two side na story dey. Na it dey good. We just hear from one. Based on the way we Nigeria take they do something, we be say we always like outsider. If now we be Nina, they'll say na so Benin like no, not the whole Nigeria syndrome. The whole of Nigeria, all of us, we are sick of loving outsider more than ourselves. We know that. Anybody where they deny that, not be like that, okay, only to yourself. But we know majority of Nigerians, we love outsider more than ourselves. Okay, it's good because it's good to always be good to foreigners. But for Kevin, Kevin still there alive. Now still our brother. Majority of us, we senior Kevin. So it no go bad if we also demand to hear from Kevin. Okay, I watch some people video. Wait till I hear them be say, nobody go talk say no know this woman. I disagree 100% with that. I don't know that woman. I am Monica. As I did social media reach 2 times now, I don't ever see her in my life. And do you know, I think she lives in America. When I see her, I don't even know say na Zimbabwe woman. As I see her, this say na black American woman. I say na so that the naked they said, what the big deal? I come up for there. I can't do. You understand? So many people don't know Kevin. My husband don't know this woman, not Kevin. The woman. Everybody they say, nobody go talk say you don't know the woman. Me, I don't know her. I know they lie. 2 times I don't ever see her. I don't watch her more than 3 minutes. When I see say she's only going to dance with nakedness. And I know that it's very common with American people, American black women. They don't care. Okay? So I leave that video. I don't know anything about this woman. Now this Kevin matter now. You understand? Now this Kevin matter. Then make me come know. Say, oh, now this woman be that woman where they dance naked. Oh, okay. Eat na Zimbabwe woman. Oh, okay. Eat na HIV patient. Oh, okay. Hey, now this one. Oh, okay. I don't know her before like that. And me, I don't, people when they still call with the talk, I'll say, you very not, they'll say no. Only few people, when they sabi watch everything washable. Now, no. So, we not go fit use that one, take joy. Take say, who go talk, say, no. Kevin might not know this woman before. It might be that Kevin never, ever hear of this woman before. The way we quickly dance to this woman tune by saying, I'm always outside. Says who? We need a lot of proof. Zimbabwe woman, we need a lot of proof to know that you told Kevin everything you say you told Kevin. Like, if Kevin see you for social media, you dey dance. You no go just one time start to dey call you. You no put your number there. You need to come to your inbox. Can we see the inbox message? Inbox messages where you and Kevin were chatting before you invited him to your home. Where you state it on that chatting. I am HIV, I've been AIDS positive, they say it be. I am a transgender, where you state it on that chatting before you bought ticket for that guy to come and see you. Can we see that type of proof? Not just, I said the people know me. Nobody know you. I, Monica, I don't know you. A lot of people don't know you. You dance naked. Your video can sometimes go haywire. It's a society that want to see you, that are seeing you, community that is seeing you. It can be that it's all the people that are watching you are from Dominican, Jamaica. Then you will think it's all Africa that is watching you. No. I've once watched you when you were alive. I only spend not up to 3 minutes because it is in my team. Just watching somebody dancing naked with all budu body. It doesn't attract me. Even if I want to sit and watch when the girl is dancing, you have to have this sexy figure body where your nyash will really be making bro. You know, where your boss will really be so freshy that, oh my God, that's me. I'm telling you about me. I don't know about other women. Maybe some women, when any woman come on cloth body, so far now woman, they attract them. Somebody like me, the kind of body doesn't attract me. So I cannot stay and watch. I don't watch those type of budu body for dancing. Who is she dancing for? I left because everybody is on social media. You do your thing. For me, I felt Kevin was used by you because you are smart. You are intelligent, you know what you are doing, and you know your stuff. You know who you are. Kevin don't know nothing about you until you fall a victim. Okay, my people can say, Nigerian people, we are desperate. Yeah, we are very desperate. We are vulnerable. Because when we come to Europe, we want to stay in Europe. We can't go back empty-handed. A lot of us, thank God for my life, a lot of us, take so many ways to settle today. Many may go for a fat in bedside, what they call it, obesity women, or Igbo way big like this, to get paper. They told Kevin, leave the country. We all know how it can be. You can be depressed. You can be frustrated. Fear can capture you up because the spirit of fear is deadly. Because of that, you took advantage of that boy. Stop lying. I hate the part where they are telling you that you always say the truth. No! Stop lying. You are a manipulator. You have condemned your life. The only life you have is social media. Say the truth. Who know you in Sweden? I want to know how popular you are in Sweden. You just use a Nigerian guy. Everybody know how desperate you are looking for love. You are looking for someone to love you. Are you normal? If you are normal, you won't be desperate to say, I will find love one day. And no, something is also wrong with you. You too, you are a user. And one day, you will meet your match. You think you can do everything to men and go scot-free just because you told them, I am this, I am that. Then they still come to me. They need money, I give money. Can you prove to me, Monica, where you send 10,000 to Nigeria, $10,000? Can you prove to me? Because I can't be fooled. But there is nothing I can do to you. But I hate to be fooled. I can't take it. It makes me sick. Especially when I see people sit down and clap for you. You are so on the honest of words. You are never be honest. That's why everything that you have in your life now, you have it as a gift of being dishonest. You too, you were desperate at a time. Tell us, how did you get this sickness that you are now using as a red passport? Using to condemn human beings. Can you tell us how you got it? You were desperate at the time. You don't care what you do to your body. Now your body is useless. The only thing you can do to your body is to show it on social media where you know nobody care about you. Social media, we don't care about each other. We all talk from our room. You are living in mansion. Mansion is not known by only the city room. Mansion is not from outside. Can you show us your mansion from outside? Can you show us the paper of the proof that you are the owner of that mansion from outside? Can you prove to me where you sent $10,000 to handicap in Nigeria as Kevin Mother? Stop lying. Stop lying. Can you show me where you make $7,000 by banging your nyash? Are you the only gay in the world? Will you shut up your mouth? Make me angry, man. Fooling people anyhow. May God fool you one day. You are agent of devil to come and destroy the world, but you cannot. Thank God Kevin has exposed you. Now, we Nigeria people, we are going to expose you the most so that men and women will know you. As condemned as you are, no Nigeria guy will ever come for you. But you never told Kevin that you are such a condemned human being. You use vulnerable people. When you know their situation, you use them. You want to tell me Kevin spent 2 months in your house and you only start showing him on Christmas Day? Why didn't you show him from the very first day? As you said, you live an open book life. Why didn't you show Kevin from the very first day Kevin come to your house? After using him to bang your nyash up and down, you are sick and you are tired because you know that nobody will ever love you. You missed it when you messed up your life. Just shut up. No Hausa guy can even say hello to you. Shut up. Stop and stop saying Hausa guy, Igbo guy, Nyanyani guy. Hausa guy can never say hello to you. Do you even know who is Hausa people? Do you know them? Or you just hear Nigeria, Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, you start singing them. Do you know who are Hausa people? I've dated Hausa and dated Yoruba. You are such a liar. You just catch up Kevin. Small, young, new, know nothing like about nothing. You know nothing about people like you. You have nothing to offer. Condemned people have nothing to offer. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Monica?
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, my sister. I dey watch you. I want you to contribute very little to what you dey talk.
Okay.
Thank you, my sister. You see, now Sweden I dey.
Okay.
Okay, like what you dey talk just now, my sister. Me no know that woman one day. Now once I send for Facebook. I don't even know say na Sweden that lady dey. Okay, that one wey you dey talk just now say if any shot, any proof dey to say maybe Kevin know whether that lady dey Facebook. That one proof no go dey. Because for the video, I hear when that lady dey talk, when Kevin dey tell the lady say, na all Salah train station now I know you, which the city where I dey stay. So now they change number. So nothing like say maybe chat wey be say proof go dey.
That proof, my lady, proof go still there. You know why? That woman is smart. When Kevin ex-girlfriend call her, she was smart enough to record her. That woman get proof of all the calling. She can show us now. Say, like me now. If maybe you call me and you get problem, right? Even if I don't store your number, I can go down to our calling to prove to people, look at the date this woman called me, give me a missed call, or keep calling me again and again. Because she don't let her prove those things. It's a lie.
That one true, but for me I feel.
She is even a she. This one where we they say na again and this. I don't believe.
When they change contact, the next thing I can be just go meet the lady.
My lady, later, not confused with you at the talk because I don't know which side you did. You don't know her before. You just get to know her now. Then are you for Kevin? Are you standing for me? I'm not for Kevin. I'm just for, let's say the truth. If you really want to say the truth, you can't be out there using people, destroying people's lives, and coming out to take it like it's a popularity. You want to be popular, you want to have reality talk show like Kardashian. Is this how Kardashian make a life? Is this the reality they show on their life? I don't know why you people will copy positive things and turn into negative things. Kardashian is not HIV positive or AIDS patients. Kardashian is not a transgender. A transgender who want to have a reality TV, do it straight. Nobody hates you guys, but do it straight. White people who are transgender, they do it straight. They don't mess up. You messed up yourself and you are messing other people up. It's not acceptable. Not taking this bullshit. Just 1005 was watching you and you were feeling high and you say you are popular. Popular to who? Black people don't like shit, so you can't be popular among us.
Hello.
Hello, my sister.
Good morning, my lady. Good morning, my lady.
Good morning.
This woman, as for me, this woman, I never see, they look live video more than 3 years. I never see this woman one day.
Because our people know they share this type of thing for their war. Never, they only look, they go. How we want to know?
If you share one day, I see and say, one woman, they naked. I say, which kind of something be this one? Now I just remove her. Now when this upload that will come happen, now I say, see matter. Now I think they surprise me. And the people they cry. People we Nigeria are supposed to they worry now. Because the woman talk yesterday say he don't sleep with 2 Igbo people for London. And one Yoruba. So I don't know how many people this woman don't distribute this thing to. And now Nigeria, he say he still want more Nigeria. He talk yesterday, and I go say the audio make you plan. He said this yesterday. He said he have slept with 2 Igbos and 1 Yoruba and 1 Delta State now and 1 Hausa now and 1 Igbo. Igwe. That's what they talk yesterday now.
He talk, my lady, he talk that one. No mean say he mean anything. She can also be lying.
The HIV, no, the thing with the worry me now, say the HIV we don't give all the Nigerians, we don't secretly sleep with them. If one be careful, when he head, come like an exposer. Who knows say that kind of woman, they distribute HIV, they go.
Exactly. Exactly.
Who knows say that kind of
woman? Now that one, una go see. Say she the distributor, she come to destroy. So people should not say, oh yeah, she told Kevin. Kevin still went. Why? Why? Go to your television station and not sit and have newspaper. Show us proof where you chatted with these people that you are HIV patient and they will still follow you or his. Hello.
Hello, my lady. Let me contribute. God bless you so much. I'll be very fast. You know, this woman, Kevin is the victim. The boy is the victim.
Thank you for those of you that know that the boy is a victim to this woman.
She planned everything.
She planned it.
She knows that Nana people, Nana they in charge of social media and all to get views.
To get popularity.
Yes.
Yes.
They clap for her, they call the boy.
Who want clap for her?
So the boy parents were not interested. They said they don't want to make the boy marry her. So how many relationships, parents, family no go agree, but they go on. But that reason is not for her to put the boy on social media.
Exactly. Because she knows what she's doing. She said she wants to become popular like Kim Kardashian in a very negative way. Yeah, when you have already finished using yourself for whatever you use yourself for, that make you to become what you become, bear it, stay with it. You're going to be lonely for a very long time of your life. You choose your way. You cannot blame it on even Monica that is talking. You choose your way and you're going to live with it. You find love one day. You find love in a very, very long time.
God bless you.
Thank you. You find love one day. Anytime they know who you are, they will run away from you. Because no black can actually love you. You know it. So stop deceiving them. Anytime you see them telling you, I love you, and you know they want to come and chop your money. So why are you deceiving them? Can't you see you are not better than Kevin? You are not better than the people you are saying, oh, Nigeria love money. Who don't love money? Even you. I believe the choice you make today, when you were so desperate, you were nothing, no home to sleep. That's why you make this choice that is not worrying you today. They are looking for people are depressed. For me, this is the number one depressed element woman I've ever seen in my life. They depressed, they hide under camera, they hide under mansion, they hide under material things. They are depressed like hair. They are looking for love they can never buy. You make a choice, my lady. Are you a man? Are you a woman? I don't know where you belong. Look for where you belong. I can't understand. God creates you as a man, if it's true, because I don't believe anything from you. I don't know how people believe you. I find you very difficult to believe. Because you are like, you are not complete us air anymore. You live with dog for years. You are crazy. Let me tell you, God creates you as a man, if it's true. You don't love it. You turn yourself to become like somebody like me, good and fine. It's accepted in this part of the world. I don't have problem with it. But what do you do again? Why are you coming back again? Why are you coming back again? Stay one place. Let's know who you are. Hello?
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 Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, my name is Poga. I'm calling from... Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, we are hearing you. We are hearing you.
I hear you. See, I've been on the like to talk for all this kind of thing before. But to be sincerely, I must talk for this one. You really make a very good point. Among everybody, when he done they do live video in regard to this guy's mistake, now you don't bring point when it is he shoot to me, and God could bless you for this. You see that woman, you the caller that just dropped now, he said it all. That woman just do this thing in order to achieve viewers. He want to be more popular.
Exactly.
And they know anything when they say when they say Nigerians don't enter, especially in this Europe side. They know say you will go more trend faster than every other people. She even said it. She not even
yes.
And now, okay, see the worst part of it now. This thing happen now. Instead of the brothers and sisters of Kevin to take side of Kevin, they started making Kevin popular in a wrong way.
Our people are like that. We are like that. I even saw a video where one of our sisters was saying, I love you. I love you. Oh, my sister, I'll train you on that your love. That your love too the common for goats and chicken. What is the love for that one? I mean, don't you have
Not Benin people, now they spoil the whole thing. Why is the Benin doing this? It is very wrong. This is out of jealousy.
Thank you.
If they don't have opportunity, they will do the same thing Kevin did.
Thank you, my brother.
The woman is still continue advertising her.
Exactly. And even our people are telling me, yeah, she never lied. Who told you? She's a liar. She's a scammer. She's a manipulator.
Yes. Which people you think say the woman?
She's evil. When you cannot love who you are evil, depressed, hiding under mansion. Can you prove it? I've said it before. I need proof of your mansion. I need the front picture of your mansion. I need the proof of where they are banging your ass and paying you money. Can you show different type of picture of money they have loaded for you?
Hello? Just calm down. Let me say something. If you look at it from what that woman said.
And you prove Western Union you sent to my dear Nigeria?
He told her who
lies.
He told her, I mean, whether he or she. I don't know how we talk. He told him whom she is that this is how he gets his daily bread, jingolo and all that. Okay, you know, say he tell you all these things. It's not going to happen to you now. Why are you not crying?
Exactly.
Why are you not crying?
Because it's a lie.
He tell you before.
My brother, thank you.
It is your own plan to bring him down. Out of jealousy, say, yes, this guy has been making money through this system. And I've heard that Nigeria, this is, especially the Benin, this is what they do. They cause control in our own local language and 419 in general language, maybe Jingolo in Italy. You already know. So you just do it. When Kevin wants to play you, he never a good player. If you look at it, the boy not a good player. He not take anything.
The boy not play nothing, but the woman they claim say I spent 10,000. I want him, her, I don't know, to prove it.
Look at one point I want to bring out now again. For you to help people, for you to help us tell the world. Look at it. The woman say, I don't get HIV. But Benin people don't already broadcast say the boy don't carry HIV. You see, this woman are not a lie. Despite all she want to achieve from this day, Benin people don't already carry. Say they don't carry HIV.
My brother, thank you. It's okay. May I continue? I know what me I did diverted because this time I'm not attacking Benin people. No be there where they go. When we jam ourselves with the logo each other way. But this time, please, anybody who have Kevin number, me, I want to talk to Kevin. At least if I talk to him for phone, I don't go carry HIV. Because I know some Nigerians now, even to talk to Kevin, they don't remember saying a telephone. Kevin, wherever you are, I need to speak to you. Please, my brother, whether now you did guilty or not, who cares? It don't happen. Life must go on. How do you go on from here? If not true, say this thing happen, there is a way for you. Abroad, in short, now you even get reason to go shop at Duro Self. Because as HIV patient, Africa will not receive you. Now even abroad, now you go give you space. You understand? So please, my brother Kevin, come and talk to who you want to talk to. Send me number. I will talk to you as a brother. Hello?
Hello, Mama. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I beg, Mama, now most of these our Benin live video presenter, now they make the famous.
Not be that they talk so.
Withdraw from the matter. Now
they talk so.
They get more famous. Now Benin, now they kill themselves for this matter.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. So please present us. I've only watched which person I don't watch. Only my sister I don't watch. Even my friend I never watch her. You understand? But we talk. I know the side where the point where she follow enter me. I no want follow that point. You understand? Let's call it spade a spade. Somebody we don't already know say he condemn. He go out people to take you. So if you want to manipulate people or deceive people, you put money for front. And people love money. They will fall for it. So you don't blame the people. That's why Oyibo, if they cash Mugu, Abina Maga, Unate the color. That's why it's a crime. Because those people, that they always use something to play you. They know you will fall for it. So it's a crime. This woman already knows, say, without money, nobody go look inside. Is it body? Then they see transgender, when they transgender go sexy. My lady, you are not sexy. You are budu. Budu is what you are. So you have to put money at the front for anybody to look at you. You are budu. You understand? When you remove cloth, nothing there. It's just that men on shook. Some men, they don't have taste at all. You understand? But even until now, the reason why I don't believe that you are really transgender is because I did not see fake breasts. Because if I see fake breast, I will know. I did not see fake nyash. Your tummy is just like a tummy where person take bone. It comes to a foie. I don't see my body for there. I be waiting happen. Can you show us small distance? You say you are not ashamed. You are so open to the world. Can you show your small distance? Yours. Make we see. Waiting really the Kevin, please, you that have been there, we need to speak to you. Okay? And live video presenters, I beg you in the name of God. I don't still talk, say, I don't use me do video. Now, una way be that. Without me, una self not go get viewers. It's your head. But this type of thing next time, wala wo yan wa agbudian gbegba ma gbudian agbegbe. wagia kave ya ogo wane ake wabe ona ebe Yoruba be do ona e obi Hausa be do ona obi Esan be do ovie gwen no wabe re wabe riere wabe riela wabe ton ye wa e 2020 ajena wagia fiu ni me werie abe miego vie ovie gwen no wabe roe aba solibata abe mwepo pa ye wi mare wa abe miwe iya be gbe kan ma wa gabe ba de barima because I bu ye ke nana be de baroma I mi waropa no ye he ya we mi wo ye no gbo ye ba mere o beto I wa se gbere ni mima me ga gbegbi manere mi no sunu na te bo na mi no emi ne mani bungwa wo tewe bono e me so mo ko ne no e wegi bie oh we I love you no make na ya mi ebe wani buni ko ni ro e di o manu wa o me akogwe no we adesin igwe kia e kia yore e kia wake up e kia yore e yore uwa ye mu ba me be
want to talk to somebody.
hello
Hello, Sister Monica. Momo. Equator, Monica.
koje Ibabolawe gbe awuzuwa anahina adoma no do egbe kina nai ogbewe opa no bi osana na yere January na ma se ni wi ara gie nu wa wo ni gia se nu eno lelewe adi agbon bari abe ya this lady where they call now you don't know what I say I want to they do now this year 2020 ni gia se nu eno lelewe adi agbon bari abe ya abini giore 2020 kekanwe so that is a 2021 uke yore move ulizabi wawe guge throughout a year na woni gie nu ya imine iwa fast na pray na mo you walk ya so boyo god ya ye iwa yo we no ye time we ne gbuwe throughout 2020 o ma fonu we ne gbuwe woni mo egbo ya because iwa mo yi mu ne gbere iladian ba ma tie we o e we gbe dan me ni deri u ya gwe e ma ni sewe egun e we gbe gun egun me ri o yi wo ara ri ana kekere ya mu ari ave one even the nene social media na yi we wo ye because yin ogwe me ya ye yo to we eken we unu we ji egi sese mu wo no ma tie we o yan ni mu kan wi e de gbe yan be so anwu ene so presenters wala wo wa be gbere yin wo won because ma wa mi o give we ma kill and die please make we draw Kevin I no say carry Kevin con your ass make we hear wetin happen wetin make Kevin how it happen even if Kevin say yes he tell me everything e good make we still hear am not be say we no hear Kevin oh we just hear sister oh wey be I want to do like Kadesha I want to do this I want to have a reality go and have it with your Zimbabwe people go and have it with your Zimbabwean people don't have it with us we have enough that we have been chatting taking care of we never finish carry your own go one corner they go that side hello hello
Hello, my sister.
oh
God,
yeah.
good morning. How are you?
You say speak English. The message I give was for my Benin people. Now we start English. The first message was for my Benin people. If you don't hear, you don't need it.
I think contribute.
Contribute.
Okay. I am the video when you try to for house. They say I'm my sister. The truth not saying about this woman. I don't call him woman. I call him man. If you go in live video page, even the time we did they write down everything they did. They always do video. And I believe send a message that I have to carry for talk. Okay, now I'll tell you say not tell me. When that man had to disgrace Kevin.
How you tell no say Kevin say not tell him. You don't talk to Kevin.
I don't know. They say Kevin say not tell him say mama.
Me never know. That's why me they call Kevin now.
What did they go to talk for the Kevin? Immediately tell that woman, that man to that people. Now get the right to talk. Say, when the man, the person, may you not fuck him in the house. Now get the right to talk. Say, let me fuck you. But get it, they just I was just everything. Like, so difficult, you are fucking don't say anything, you understand? So,
we know even the year. If we know even the year, near waste our time because it can use network not correct. If I talk say I hear one thing where if you talk I lie. I know yeah. This color they talk like person where they I know yeah, network not good. I guess my people are really sick in this Oyibo country. We need to be careful. Confusion everywhere. She used Kevin to get popularity. The popularity now never get time. If me and you just suffer in that matter now face Kevin, no. Instead of make we they talk about who it be if you go to a war, who go to a war? Who go there? If not be all this also we share where people war, who get time to go type that type of person war? I beg this my sister. You need to select a mere so said. That's why this is social media. My people select what you watch. Because when you start watching all this time, you don't care for this, you don't care, you watch everything. Before you start to the reason like nonsense, you won't understand. Okay to go to a war and go, me I don't care, I don't go. What am I going to do there? What am I going to learn? Hello?
Hello, good morning or good afternoon, Mr. Monica. I just want to appreciate you for coming out and talking about this matter. And
Thank
what
you.
I want we all to know is that this Kevin is our own.
Yes.
And what this one is a big slap on the cyberspace. And we all have to come out to the society center and make sure we drive this woman away from this social media. Because that's what is a
We know fit drive and only that one to drive person for social media, you know fit, but you can just abandon her. She will do her thing. As far as she's not making sense, I don't even me. I know say our people not go there go wash. Now only those way like nonsense. Many people go there go sick but you work back. I believe that.
Yeah, please. Not by driving her like that, but we all have to come out and go against her. Not because what has happened.
No, we need to focus on Kevin and just live like the woman never existed. I don't want any presenter to come and say, hey, Tata, you are crazy, you are mad, then you are giving her more audience. No. We're going to just carry on with Kevin. Who know Kevin? Make it call. Make the help Kevin. Make it know I, even if he go out, but make it talk. More know where how will take happen. No, she be the woman saying whatever HIV who he say it be. It still they exist. So if Kevin really be, Kevin can also exist.
Exactly.
So we're going to focus on Kevin and we not even mention his name.
Exactly. And those people on medical, that are into medical, those doctors you call it because for what I think, somebody that has HIV cannot be sleeping with somebody without protection.
And that one is another thing. We need to make we get contact with Kevin. If Kevin no make we show him the way we go take get paper. The paper now where they look for now he want for him. So Kevin don't hide. Come on. Kevin family where the verse where you see for social media. Me una see this one, una contact, make we help. You know me say I come here say, see Kevin brother. See no, I not go do that one. Now only Kevin where we know Kevin will take the do see what happen, see what really happen, see what this one will do, see what it will do now, see how we can be able to help. That's what we're going to do to Kevin. As for me, I will never mention this woman. I don't know if she exists because I don't deal with bullshit people. I don't associate myself with this type of people who messed up their life and looking for someone to draw along with it in the name of I give money. It's the money that puts you in your shirt.
Because I watched
Thank you.
She was doing 2 days ago. From the way she was talking, I just knew the woman knows what she was doing.
The woman is smart, oh. The woman knows what he's doing, oh. But
She just wanted to bring this guy down. And
yes, oh. the way he was even recording the boy show, even if na real love before, you go feel love such mad person. Person that doesn't trust you. Can you love that kind of, even if she don't get HIV at all, even if she's not depressed, even if she's a normal human being like us, she's not a normal human being like every one of us. Don't ever call her normal human being. She's not a normal human being. She will look for love from now till tomorrow. The kid don't come. She can never find that true love. Who love crazy people? Nobody. Hello? Crazy people are meant for entertainment. We watch you, we go inside our house. We can never allow you to come to our house. We can never allow you to be our friend. We can never allow you to associate with us. You entertain us, you go, we go our own way too. Hello? Who is...
Please, I want you guys to help this guy that something like this will not happen again.
Yes.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Please, nobody should put like on the VA comment here. Now Kevin use his leg, waka go meet her. Anybody who put like on the VA, that comment, I'm going to block you. I don't need you on my platform. Just let her comment, but don't put like on it. If you put like on it, meaning you are that kind of mindset. Okay? Even God, nobody will not guessing. That woman where they talk so, if God to come, you no go see God the eye. Where they come sit down, they judge Kevin. You understand? Now the same greediness make a man to become a woman so they can be prostituting and making money. Greedy of money. Kevin come to you because of money. If not like that, it's the same money. Both of you are in the same shape together. Money lovers. So, shut up your mouth. Don't shout. Don't talk. Shook it in your ass. So, please, Ivie, please. I know sometimes when you have stand for something and you see that a lot of people did not stand for it like that, it's difficult for some people to accept and just like, okay, I let it go. Please, don't defend such thing. But you have the right to hear out your thing. But anybody who put like on it, I'm going to block you. I will definitely not block Ivie. You wear your own, comment your own. Don't go put like, because now that line may be your Betty, no rebel. You understand? Everybody na sinner. Kevin na sinner. You will say, now Kevin use his leg, go enter. You call where you use your leg, enter. God don't leave you for there. When we human being want judge people, matter we go judge and back. When God come now to judge our own, imagine and be no kakai way. You don't go for Adanigbe. So please. Me, in this matter, I'm not judging Kevin because Kevin is not going to exchange his blood for me. But the way Kevin was used, I hate it. I've told you guys that with that number. Matter not go consign me. But if I see use and the person will use you, still they do like boss. Hey, oh God, imiove, oh damn it. Why? You use somebody and now you are coming Nigeria in-law. You can never be our in-law in your wildest dream. Bring out all the money. They will become HIV, chop your money. They will still fuck you up. That's my Nigeria people. What do you think? They don't mind becoming HIV with you to chop down your money, and they are still going to fuck you up, and at the end of the day, you can kill yourself. So stay away from them because they are dangerous more than what you think. More are coming to you. You think you are smart, they are coming to fuck you up until you leave your mansion and go to homeless people home. They are coming for you. They don't mind to become HIV. In short, those that are HIV already that you don't know, they are coming for you. You'll be happy. I have a Nigerian guy. If you are so desperate of having a Nigerian guy, why didn't you have a reputation? Why didn't you try to work a reputation? Your reputation is shit. No go area. And you know it. People run away from you. You know it. You are lonely. Can you show us your weekend? How you hang out with friends? Do you have any? You miss Kevin so much yesterday. Look at you. You were looking like chicken. When you were missing the way Kevin used to rub all over your body. The white people that come to bang your fucking asshole. Do they rub your body like Kevin was rubbing your body? Are they strong like the way Kevin used to give it to you strongly? Say the truth, you were missing Kevin. You've never been so lucky with your victim as you were lucky with Kevin. Sorry, Kevin head has exposed you. Okay, because you don't mess with Benin people and go scot-free. Next time, better look for your which tribe you say you always go with them. They will go scot-free. They will shut up their mouth. Benin people, no matter how ugly it is, we open our mouth like basket mouth and we'll expose you and make sure that we get you down. That's what happened to you. You don't say nothing. I trust my people. They are going to wash you until one day you on television, you on your live video, you see nobody there. You don't know them. Go ask for this Benin language. Look for someone to tell it to you. I will not tell it to you in English. Go look for Benin person that will open it to you. You go nowhere. We'll bring you up. We'll put you down. Nonsense. Thank you, my people. Me, I go busy with my daily life, Jare. One person can come and the present. My sister, stop giving your love to dog, rat, cockroach, and antelope. Please. Anybody, I love you so much. I love you. I love you. Please. Okay, my people.